When hiring educators or when assigning them to new classes, it is essential that supervisors first ensure that the educator is appropriately certificated for the classes that they are teaching. In this training, you will learn a quick and easy way to look up the certification status of an Idaho educator, as well as how to use the endorsement and assignment search feature to determine which endorsements are required to teach specific classes on the Idaho Department of Education website. To access the Certification Lookup application, first go to sde.idaho.gov. Then click on the menu and click on Certification and Professional Standards. Then click on Certification Lookup to access the Certification Lookup application. You can also access the Certification Lookup application directly by typing in the below URL. I suggest bookmarking this webpage for ease of access in the future. First, let's use the Person Search feature. This is useful when you want to know what a specific educator is certified to teach in Idaho. Click on the Person Search tab and fill out the search criteria that you know in the left columns. In this example, we'll just put the person's first and last name. If this person has a very common name, it may be helpful to enter their birth date as well to help further refine the results. As you can see, there is only one person with this name who is currently certified to teach in the state of Idaho. You can see their name, last reported district, and how certain the application is that this is the person you're looking for based on the criteria you provided. Simply click on the desired entry and click on the details to view more. Their details will then populate below. First, you can see that they have a valid Idaho credential and the date of their professional endorsement. Under endorsements, you can see what they are endorsed to teach and the effective and expiration dates. The arrow next to their endorsement number is available as a drop-down list of all assignments an educator holding that specific endorsement can teach if the credential is valid. Under contracts, you can see the reported agreements entered into by an educator and a public local education agency from 1994 to present. The arrow next to the contract year is available as a drop-down list of all assignments an educator was given for that year. That feature is available for any contracts after 2010. Now let's look at the Endorsement and Assignment Search feature. Click on the Endorsement/Assignment Search tab in the top left corner of the page. First, let's say that we want to see what someone with a Humanities 6 through 12 endorsement can teach. You can use the drop-down menu or type in the search field. In this instance, there are 16 different assignments available. You can click on the arrows in the bottom left corner to view different pages of assignments if there are many. Now let's say we want to see what endorsement is required to teach a specific assignment. In this example, let's say small gasoline engines. I'll type in small gas into the search field, and you can see that I can choose between two different possibilities. I'll select small gasoline engines and click on Show List. You can now see that an educator with any of these 5 endorsements could teach the class. And that's about it. If you have any questions about this process, please don't hesitate to contact Human Resources.